first thing that you want to do is pat the chicken dry so that the seasoning sticks to it really well. And you also don't want a lot of water in your pan. So make sure you get it really dried off. Next, season it on both sides with whatever seasoning you like. Can be just salt and pepper, can be a seasoned salt, whatever you like. But make sure to get both sides because that's what's going to bring the flavor. Once that's done, you're going to turn on your stove and heat about a tablespoon of oil in your pan. A cast iron skillet or other heavy skillet is best. You're going to let this get super hot. Keep an eye on it because if you let it go too long, it'll start to smoke and can burst into flames, so you don't want that. Once you see the oil start to ripple, then it's time to put your chicken in. When you lay the chicken down, you want to hear a really loud sizzle. And don't overcrowd the pan. After about 3 minutes, check it and see if it's brown and if it lifts easily off the pan, and just flip it right over. Now you're going to leave it to brown on the other side for about 3 more minutes. Now, both sides are brown, but the chicken isn't cooked. If you have more chicken, now is the time to take this out and put your other chicken in. If you don't have more chicken to cook, then you can go ahead and cook the chicken however your recipe states it should be cooked. You want it to be 160 degrees when it's done, and then let it rest for 5 minutes. And that's it. You've browned chicken.